Hi everyone, today, we're going to take a look at the 5 best doorknobs for wooden doors on the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a best doorknobs. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mention in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. MiLocks Tkk-Sn Tkk-Sn doorknobs for wooden doors. While you are going through the doorknob reviews, you might want to opt for something that utilizes a digital locking mechanism along with the mechanical one. Well, in that case, this one that is from MiLocks is the one for you. To start with, the design that it features will enable you to directly replace the existing locking mechanism that you already have. You will not have to go through any intricate process. And if you do not have an existing mechanism, the installation process will be a piece of cake for you. You will be able to set this one up within a few minutes. Other than that, the unit features a digital keypad on the top. The keypad mechanism has the memory to hold up to 6 different combinations. This is much better than regular garage door keypads. So, you will be able to grant access to all of your family members. The programming procedure is pretty straightforward. You can easily add and delete stored codes. This easy operation is what makes this unit one of the best doorknobs. Apart from the easy operational process, the keys on the dial glow in dark. As a result, you will not face any difficulties when trying to unlock it in darker environments. And because of the universal design that it flaunts, you can install this on both the right and left-handed doors. Pros: combines digital and mechanical locking mechanism, dial pad can store 6 unique combinations, features glow-in-the-dark keypads, easy to install, operational mode is pretty straightforward. Cons: included screws are a bit flimsy, threads on the body are not that smooth. Number 2. Schlage F170 GEO 622 doorknobs for wooden doors. If you already have a locking mechanism on one side of the door and want to fill up the other side with something, then you should definitely take a look at what Schlage has to offer here. First of all, this one features a unique design that will not require any latching for the installation process. Instead of latches, all you have to do is to screw in the Phillips screw that it has on the top. You will not need any other tools other than the screwdriver for setting this up. Also, you will not have to cut your door either for installing this, because making a hole in the door is very hard without the best door hinge jigs. Other than that, it comes in plenty of different finishes. By factoring in the looks that you want, you can select a color from the 10 different finishes available. The detailing on it is pretty praiseworthy. It is guaranteed to look good in both the interior and outdoor settings. And because of the design that it features, you will be able to install it on swing doors that are both left and right-handed. Aside from that, the material that it utilizes is of high quality. And that material is what makes it exceptionally durable. You can expect it to last for a prolonged amount of time without showing any internal flaws. Pros: easy to install, does not require any latches, features elegant detailing on the body, comes in 10 different colors, exceptionally durable. Cons: screw heads are not hideable, color coding scratches pretty easily. Number 3. Probrico Privacy doorknobs for wooden doors. If you are planning to fit doorknobs in all of the doors of your house, then you might spend a lot in getting all of them separately. However, you will not have to do that if you get this set that Probrico is offering. First of all, it comes in a pack of 6. That means you will be able to set up locks on 6 different doors by getting one pack of these, which makes it a cost-effective solution for securing the doors of your entire home. All of them will feature a satin nickel finish that blends pretty well with the interior. And as it is brushed, it will not chip off like the other finishes. Other than that, the package will come with latches that are going to be adjustable. You will be able to adjust them from 2 3/8 inches to 2 3/4 inches. And each of them has a turn button, which will enable you to lock the mechanism without requiring a key. There is an emergency release mechanism too. Aside from that, the setup process for this set is reasonably straightforward. The package will bundle with all of the required parts, and you will be able to set all of them up by yourself. You can install these on both the left and right-handed doors because of featuring a universal design. Pros. Comes in a pack of 6, features a powdered satin finish on the exterior. Installation process is easy, includes latches that are adjustable, sports a quick locking turn button. Cons. Design of the latches is not conventional, implements a weird screw position. Number 4. Copper Creek BK2030SS door knobs for wooden doors. Not all of the doors require a key locking mechanism. Getting something that has a slotted mechanism is more than enough for them. And this one that Copper Creek is offering would be the perfect example of that. To begin with, even though it has a slotted mechanism, the security level that it can offer is more than enough. In fact, it has a grade 3 level in ANSI security and privacy level. That means you will be able to get peace of mind when you are inside a room that has this one installed on the door. Apart from that, there is an emergency privacy release button on the exterior. That will come in handy if you manage to lock yourself out of the room accidentally. Also, it comes in 6 different colors. Even though this one is not really a modern doorknob, all of the colors that it comes in are quite elegant and will definitely blend relatively well with the interior of the rooms. Other than that, the latch that it comes bundled with is adjustable. And the other parts that you are going to get with the package will be of high quality too. It also has an auto alignment feature that will allow you to set this up on doors of different types. You will not have to look for other doorknob styles, nor will you have to worry about the compatibility that much. Pros. Boasts ANSI Grade 3 certification, features an emergency release button, comes in 6 different elegant colors, sports an auto alignment mechanism, the latch is adjustable. Cons. Not that easy to install, the emergency button is a bit hard to activate. Number 5. Taftek AMK101 doorknobs for wooden doors. Having an adjustable latching mechanism is pretty much essential for the best doorknobs. Well, Taftek factored that in when they were manufacturing this unit for the market. To start with, it features a universal design. Whether you have a left-handed door or a right-handed one, you will not have any issues when setting this up for its design. The installation process is pretty simple too. It comes with all of the hardware that you are going to require, and there is an installation guide as well. You will be able to set this up without any hassles at all. Other than that, the overall construction of the unit is pretty solid. It utilizes high-quality material for the overall construction. For that reason, it achieves a high level of sturdiness. You can expect it to last for an extended amount of time without showing any signs of internal flaws. The locking mechanism is reasonably durable too. Outlooks-wise, it features a rich satin finish, which will enable it to blend pretty well with the outdoor and indoor setting. The bolts are nickel-plated as well. For that plating, they are not going to corrode that easily. And the latch that it bundles with is adjustable. You will be able to adjust it according to the door that you have. Pros. Includes an adjustable latch, compatible with both left and right-handed doors, comes with nickel-plated bolts, features a rich satin finish, durable and comparatively sturdy. Cons. Does not turn smoothly, tends to jam from time to time.